Hello, this is Lita from Online Learning Services. Today I'm going to show you how to view course evaluations in Watermark. In this video, I'll be going through the admin view. Instructors, please see our instructor video on how to view your course evaluations. Let's make our way over to Watermark. Admins, to access course evaluations for your departments and programs, you can go to Canvas or go to the external site on the St. Rose login page. In this video, I'll be going through the external site as it's easier to demonstrate instead of through the Canvas portal. If you are an instructor, there is a drop-down menu where you can toggle between both views. To view results from an evaluation project, go to the Results drop-down menu and select Project Results. This will list all the completed evaluation periods or projects. You can use the search function to look for a specific project and/or select the name of the project in the list. Once you've opened the project, there are multiple ways to aggregate your data. You can go by overall results in the hierarchy and select the department or departments you wish to view. If you are a department chair, you will only be able to select and view the results for your department. After you've selected the departments you wish to view, you have multiple options for exporting the reports. Detailed report provides bar graphs and tables of each question the students answered. Detailed report and comments provides the same bar graphs and tables for each question, along with comments submitted by the students. Short report provides exclusively tables of averages for each rating for the questions answered. Short report and comments once again provides exclusively tables of averages for each rating for the questions answered, along with comments submitted by the students. Raw data provides a CSV file of the data accumulated, whereas the other options mentioned produce PDF exports. This option does not include comments in the CSV export. So I'm going to show you what a detailed report and a short report look like. So here in the detailed report, we have the bar graphs that were mentioned, as well as the table. In this demonstration survey, we only had one question. So here's the question and the response options, where the weight and frequency and the percentage of each of those answers were selected by students. We have the response rate, so that's the number of students out of the total enrollments for this project. We have the mean for the answers selected, the standard deviation, and the median. For the short report, we have just the question and the table where it has the number of respondents for each of those answer choices for this question and that percentage, as well as the mean, standard deviation, and median. And you can see below here, we have the scale for those question options. To view specific course sections, select the Course Section tab. To search for a specific course or series of courses, you can use code, title, or hierarchy level. For example, I can use COM to search for communication courses reviewed in the project, or I can use the hierarchy level dropdown to search for specific courses in my department and departments. So I could select communications, and that will also pull up all of the communications courses that were featured in this project. For this example, though, I'm going to use my sandbox course. To export the results for this class, select the down arrow on the far right of your screen under View. You'll be prompted to select one of the options that I mentioned on the hierarchy level page previously. One menu item in the dropdown that is not on the hierarchy level is feedback. Department chairs or deans can provide feedback to an instructor in response to the results they received, and instructors can respond as well. This will become very valuable with rank and tenure. To view an instructor's evaluations, select the By Instructor tab and use the search function to look for that instructor. Once again, you can use the View down arrow to select the type of report you wish to export or provide feedback to the instructor. If you want to get a scope for multiple departments across multiple evaluation projects, select the Results dropdown and click Report Builder. The My Reports tab is previously saved reports that you have run through the system if you would like to revisit them. Much like the results page, you can break up the reports by hierarchy, as well as courses and instructors. Let's look at the Areas tab. For Area, select the department or departments you wish to view. Under Projects, you can select multiple projects. If there are specific survey questions you are looking for, you can use the Question dropdown to select those. Grouping is for selecting just the area or hierarchy, area and project, area and instructor, or area and course. Once you finish filtering the options you wish to use, select Run on the left side of the screen. The results of your report will be displayed on the screen once it's finished processing. This will give you two options: question results and aggregated results. You can then export the results of the report using Excel or PDF options. If you wish to come back to it, select Save. If you want to adjust the filters used when creating your report, select the Filters button to adjust your settings. The filter process for the Projects, Courses, and Instructor tabs are very similar, but I'll show you a couple of the differences. The Projects tab doesn't allow you to select the overall hierarchy, just the project or projects. You can then filter down by course, instructor, etc. after you select the projects. Once again, for department chairs, you will only be able to pull up the department or departments you are linked to. The Courses tab allows you to search for a specific course within a single project, depending on if the course was featured in that project. For example, my Sandbox course is only available in the integration survey because it was not in the summer eval periods. If I search for the Sandbox in the 6-week evals, it will not appear. But if I search for communications, you can see that more courses were featured in this eval period. Much like the Courses tab, the Instructor tab is where you can see what projects or surveys the instructor was included. You can filter by a specific question and grouping. If you want to share your reports with another user or admin, select the Save Report and click the Shared button to share the report. It will ask you to enter the user or email you wish to share it with. You can also add a message. Click Save, and then OK in the window that appears. After you send the report, you can see when the user has accessed it. There is a lot to cover with admin reporting in course evaluations and surveys through Watermark. If you have a specific question or are looking for a specific feature, please contact onlinelearning@strohs.edu and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.